If you've ever wanted to come to Bali but escape the chaos of Kuta, be treated like a king or a queen and live a life of luxury, well, I found just the right place for you. That is, if you like living life on the edge. We're about a 40-minute drive from Denpasar Airport in a place called Uluwatu. It's known for its surfing, but that's the furthest thing on your mind if you come here to The Edge, a world-class resort that feels like heaven and the ultimate in indulgence. Here, you truly are dreaming with your eyes wide open, a place where you can shut off from the rest of the world and enjoy endless Indian Ocean views right on the cliff's edge. And with just 8 villas, it really is an intimate setting if you're on a couple's retreat, just want a luxurious getaway with family and friends, or want to hold an exclusive party with all the trimmings. More on that later. Brendan, you must be a lucky man if this is your backyard every day.
It's a nice place to come to work.
Do you even call this work?
In front of my boss I call this work, but in front of the guests I have to admit that I'm a pretty lucky guy. This is an amazing place to come and work every day. The team here is amazing, the villas are incredible, the view is, you can see for yourself, is incredible.
And the main attraction is the swimming pool, flooding Instagram feeds all over the world. The only place where you can swim 500 feet above the ocean and look straight down through a glass-bottom platform that shoots 5 metres over the cliff.
It's been quite a sensation. Some videos that we've had posted have seen millions and millions of hits all over the world. We have people turning up from the 4 corners of the globe because they've seen that pool on Instagram. So it's been an incredible draw card into the Edge, and it means that the whole resort's become more successful because of that and the fame that it's gathered. It's truly one of the world's great pools, and we're lucky to have it here.
A hidden gem.
Hidden gem, not so hidden anymore though.
Now, breakfast in bed isn't really my thing, but when I was told the butlers could serve breakfast in the pool, it was an offer hard to pass up. Resort guests have the privacy of the main pool all to themselves up until about lunchtime. Then visitors are welcomed into the facility to soak up the amazing views. What are your numbers that you allow into the resort?
We cap it every day at 200, so we don't allow any more in, just to protect the privacy of our in-house, our resort guests. Yeah, every day we're turning people away, and we hate to disappoint people, but that's just the way it is.
Last year in 2018, The Edge was voted the best resort hotel at the annual Yak Awards. Now, the Yak is Bali's ultimate luxury lifestyle magazine, so the award is kind of a big deal.
We used to capture on the bottom of our emails the list of awards that we have, but we've run out of space now, which is...
That's only a good thing.
That's a good thing. But yeah, we've been very lucky to be recognised as one of the best villas in Bali, and consistently winning world awards for the best view in the world.
Once the sun sets, you're treated to spectacular views all around the resort, whether you're down by the main pool or in your own private villa with a drink in hand.
Enjoy your drink, Mr. T.
Thank you, Yuta.
My pleasure.
I haven't even mentioned the delightful food options on offer. Apart from the simple salads, burgers and pizza you can order in your villa or by the pool, the Asian cuisine is endless and amazing. The Edge has a number of fine dining options, but the Seas restaurant on site is all class. That smells sensational. Tonight I've ordered the grilled coconut lobster, but everything on the menu is to die for. Can't wait to get stuck in. Oh, and keep an eye out for The Cave, another experience you won't get anywhere else in the world. If an exclusive private party is more your style, The Edge has you covered at The Club, an entertainment complex you only see in the movies. Or here, I guess. You can have a hit of nighttime tennis or a game of 10-pin bowling, so be sure to bring your A-game. There's also a karaoke room to belt out the tunes, for a cinema to catch up on the latest Hollywood blockbusters.
We also have quite an incredible selection of venues and things to do for our guests. I mean, not many villas or resorts anywhere in the world would have their own 10-pin bowling lanes, but certainly not many with only eight villas. So,
And this fantastic villa, own private cinema?
Private cinema, wine room, huge kids room, cigar lounge. It's pretty well equipped.
You won't find a more luxurious resort that has all the trimmings with such unique experiences. A place on the edge of the world.